I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Buds Place. So these are latest model from the Samsung Galaxy Buds version. So before this one, I was using the SoundCard Bluetooth earphones, and try to subscribe to my channel. And recently, I got hands-on with the Poco F2 Pro as well. So which is a 5G variant, as you can see here. So definitely, I'll be doing in-depth reviews on the Poco F2 Pro device, and not only that one, I got even MI Note 10 Lite phone as well here. So definitely try to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using here and here, so try to check the playlist for the wallpapers. So there you can find plenty of useful playlist videos. So you can find all the links available in the description. Don't forget to check the links in description. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Place here. So try to subscribe to my channel, friends. Definitely I'll try to post plenty of videos on unboxing and gadget reviews as well. So even I'll be doing the SoundCard review after using for 5 months, so which is a very long time usage of using this earbuds. And definitely I'll try to tell you, is there any latency or any lag while playing games. So as you can see, it is the earbuds case as well, so which looks very small when you compare with the SoundCard Bluetooth headset. So definitely I can see how much small it is, very compact in size. So definitely, friends, in the pocket this can easily fit. So this is how the looks Samsung Galaxy Buds Place, so which looks very glossy and shiny as well, as you can see. So definitely I'll be doing in-depth review on the Galaxy Buds in the future. So this is just an unboxing video. So do comment below if you want to test this Galaxy Buds. So which has 11 hours of battery backup and which has very good touch functions as well. So I'll be doing another video on that one. So that's it for this video, friends. This is just a small unboxing video. So see you in the next video for more information. And we do get different plugs, I guess, plugs and cable, Type-C cable. So you do get different earplugs, so which is also another good advantage. So definitely I'll be doing in-depth reviews on this Galaxy Buds Place, how is the sound quality and everything. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So stay tuned for more videos on the Poco F2 Pro. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.